Governor Cooper has announced more protections for North Carolinians struggling to make ends meet during the growing pandemic. From WREL and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. I'm Cliff Baumgardner. Here's the latest from WREL.com. Today, Governor Roy Cooper announced an executive order barring utilities from cutting off electricity or water service for non-payment for at least the next 60 days, as people deal with job losses related to the pandemic.
This action is particularly important since tomorrow is the first of the month, and I know that that's a date that many families fear when they can't make ends meet.
As of recording, at least 1,500 people in North Carolina have tested positive for COVID-19. Yesterday, Fayetteville Mayor Mitch Colvin said he has asked the city's legal staff to research the possibility of a nighttime curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. to address the coronavirus pandemic, a possible step beyond Governor Cooper's stay-at-home order.
So what I'm specifically targeting are activities that take place after most people's work hours, after most stores that are pertinent have closed. We just want to make sure that we really mitigate the social gatherings and continue to encourage social distancing. And I think curfews are a perfect way to do it.
Mayor Colvin noted the curfew is just a proposal at this point, and the soonest it could take effect would be Wednesday at 9 p.m. As part of our ongoing Here to Help community commitment, WREL and the United Way are working together on a fundraising event this Thursday. It's time to help the helpers. The United Way's Rapid Response Fund provides immediate funding to many nonprofits who are working the front lines of our community and experiencing an increased demand for critical resources like food, childcare, and housing due to COVID-19. How can you help the helpers? Join us in donating directly to the Rapid Response Fund. It all happens this Thursday, April 2nd, from 4:30 a.m. through 8 p.m. For more information, visit WREL.com and search Here to Help. After the statewide stay-at-home order for North Carolina went into effect yesterday, law enforcement agencies have begun notifying communities how the order will be enforced. Broadly, the order asks people to stay at home except for what are deemed essential activities: grocery shopping, picking up medication, caring for friends and family, exercising while maintaining social distance, or going to work in essential fields. However, most law enforcement agencies say they will not be stopping people simply because they are outside the home. The Raleigh Police Department has said they will only respond to, quote, blatant disruptions, while the Fuquay-Varina Police say they will give citations to repeat offenders gathering in groups. No law enforcement agencies will be asking people for paperwork to prove they are essential personnel. Following the lead of UNC Health and Duke University Health System hospitals, WakeMed has erected triage tents outside the emergency departments at its hospitals to keep coronavirus patients from others. WakeMed's main campus in East Raleigh and hospitals in Cary and North Raleigh each have 3 tents, while facilities in Apex, Garner, and Raleigh's Briar Creek neighborhood may get 1 each if needed. In an email, WakeMed spokeswoman Kristen Kelly said, quote, as we anticipate COVID-19 to become more widespread in our community, WakeMed is expanding its system-wide capacity, and this scalable system will allow us to care for up to 100 more patients a day at our hospitals and up to 40 additional patients at each of our health plexes, all while limiting potential exposure for patients, staff, and visitors. This has been your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. If you like the show, please consider giving us a rating and a review on your favorite app, and subscribe so you don't miss our latest episodes, released every day before 5 p.m. Thanks for listening.